Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you action enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the AKASO EK7000 action camera, one of the best third-party GoPro accessories on the market. But first, let's take a quick look at what comes in the box. With the AKASO EK7000, you get not just a fantastic action camera but a whole bunch of accessories to elevate your adventure game. Inside, you'll find the camera itself, 2 rechargeable batteries, a waterproof case, a bicycle stand, mounts, clips, helmet mounts, bandages, tethers, a protective back door, USB cable, AC charger, lens cloth, and a quick reference guide. It's like a treasure chest for action enthusiasts. Now, let's dive into what makes this camera stand out from the crowd. First and foremost, the AKASO EK7000 captures stunning 4K30FPS video, ensuring incredible clarity and detail. It's 4 times the resolution of traditional HD cameras, making your adventures look spectacular on screen. Equipped with a 2.4G wrist remote control, you can capture your world in a whole new way. Whether you're framing shots or recording videos, this handy remote makes it super convenient. Just keep in mind, the remote is not waterproof, so be cautious. Battery anxiety is a thing of the past with the AKASO EK7000. It comes with 2 rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries, each capable of recording up to 90 minutes. That's plenty of time to capture your adventure without worrying about running out of juice. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect your smartphone or tablet to the camera using the AKASO Go app. This feature lets you preview and offload your content with ease, making social media sharing a breeze. Plus, the HDMI connectivity allows you to share your adventures on the big screen. The AKASO EK7000 is designed to thrive in extreme environments, and it's waterproof up to 98 feet when used with the included waterproof case. So, whether you're diving, swimming, skiing, or just exploring the great outdoors, this camera can handle it all. To give you a taste of what this camera can do, let's take a look at some sample footage captured with the AKASO EK7000. In conclusion, the AKASO EK7000 action camera is a fantastic third-party GoPro accessory that provides outstanding value for money. With 4K Ultra HD video, a wireless remote, long battery life, built-in Wi-Fi, and incredible durability, it's perfect for capturing your adventures, big or small. If you're ready to take your action photography to the next level, you can find the AKASO EK7000 action camera on Amazon for just $52.99, a 47% discount from the list price of $99.99. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy adventuring!